In 2025, Apple has quietly done what it always does best, taken something familiar and turned it into something revolutionary. Something so far ahead that once you experience it, you can't go back. And that's exactly what's happened with the Apple TV 4K 2025. This isn't just another update, another sleek black box that streams shows and movies. No, this is Apple redefining what the living room experience means, and they're doing it in a way that feels effortless, seamless, and so typically Apple that it makes you wonder why no one else thought of it first. At first glance, it looks simple, almost unchanged, with that iconic minimalist design, but the moment you power it on, you realize it's not just a streaming device, it's a powerhouse. A tiny machine with the heart of a Mac powered by Apple's M3 chip, the same processor that drives MacBooks, giving this compact device more raw power than some laptops. Think about that. A small box capable of console-level performance, real-time 3D rendering, and AI-enhanced video processing that doesn't just show content but elevates it. Every frame you watch is optimized in real time. Every color fine-tuned, every shadow deepened, and every highlight sharpened, making even old shows feel newly remastered. It's as if your TV just got an upgrade without you replacing the screen. Apple's AI engine doesn't stop there. It studies your environment through sensors in your Apple devices and automatically adjusts contrast and brightness to suit your room's lighting. So when you're watching late at night, the visuals remain balanced, soothing, and cinematic, without any glare or harsh tones, turning your living room into your personal movie theater. And speaking of cinema, the audio experience is another level entirely. Apple has introduced what they're calling spatial fusion, a revolutionary advancement beyond Dolby Atmos. Using your HomePods and the sensors built into them, it maps your room, bouncing sound in ways that create a 360-degree bubble of audio that feels alive. It's no longer just surround sound, it's spatial intelligence. You don't just hear the dialogue, you feel it anchored right in front of you, as if the actor is speaking directly from the screen. Explosions ripple through your floor, raindrops fall around you, and the music seems to breathe with emotion, perfectly matching every scene. It's immersive, emotional, and perfectly calibrated every single time. But Apple didn't stop there, because this isn't just a movie device anymore. It's Apple's secret console, their quiet entry into the gaming world. The M3 chip inside is so powerful that Apple Arcade now runs titles with ray tracing, dynamic lighting, and lifelike reflections that rival the graphics of an Xbox Series S. Developers are starting to port full console games onto the platform, turning Apple TV into something far more ambitious than anyone expected. Pair it with a PlayStation or Xbox controller, and suddenly, your casual streaming box becomes a sleek gaming console, silent yet capable of breathtaking realism. And then comes the magic of ecosystem integration, something only Apple can pull off so naturally. The new Apple TV 4K seamlessly connects to the Apple Vision Pro, and when the two come together, your living room transforms into a mixed reality theater. Imagine watching a film and seeing the environment around you extend into the movie. Stars appearing in your ceiling, city lights reflecting off your walls, explosions stretching beyond your screen. It's not just watching anymore, it's living the scene. Apple is blending digital and physical spaces in a way that no other company has achieved, where every device becomes a natural extension of another. Your iPhone acts as your remote, your watch as your media controller, your HomePods as your surround system, and your Apple TV as the central brain of it all. But what truly sets the 2025 model apart is how it reinvents content discovery. Apple knows we're tired of endlessly scrolling through Netflix, Disney Plus, and Hulu trying to decide what to watch. So they've built something called Stream Sync, an intelligent AI recommendation engine that merges every platform into one unified home screen. It doesn't matter which app your content comes from. The Apple TV finds it, organizes it, and presents it based on your preferences, mood, and even time of day. It learns your habits, remembers your tastes, and gives you personalized suggestions that actually make sense. And yes, it even knows who's holding the remote. So when you pick it up, it recognizes your profile and instantly shifts to your preferences without you clicking anything. The new Siri remote itself is another stroke of genius. Slim, elegant, with a circular touch ring reminiscent of the old iPod scroll wheel. It features haptic feedback, a micro OLED display, and a responsive touch surface that makes navigation fluid and satisfying. You can even preview scenes before skipping ahead, and if you misplace it, your iPhone instantly guides you to it with a visual radar through Find My. But Apple's vision for the Apple TV 4K 2025 goes beyond entertainment. It's designed to be the command center of your smart home. It's now the main home hub for all HomeKit and Matter-compatible devices, capable of managing everything from your lighting and thermostat to your security cameras and blinds. Picture this. You say, "Hey Siri, movie night," and instantly, the lights dim, the curtains draw, your HomePods sync, and your Apple TV cues up the perfect film with immersive sound and visuals. It's automation that feels almost human, understanding context and intent, not just commands. And because Apple takes privacy seriously, everything you do, your voice commands, recommendations, and usage patterns, is processed on the device, not the cloud. Your home data stays in your home. No ads, no spying, no selling your preferences to third parties. In a world where every company is watching you, Apple has turned privacy into a feature, a powerful one. Performance-wise, this device is a beast. The M3 chip brings up to 60% faster CPU performance and nearly double the graphics power compared to the previous generation. Everything feels instantaneous. Whether you're switching apps, scrubbing through a 4K HDR movie, or playing an intense game. It handles multitasking effortlessly. You can check the weather or your smart cameras in a picture-in-picture window while streaming your favorite show. Even FaceTime on TV feels smoother, sharper, and more natural, with AI automatically framing and focusing everyone in the room. Apple's deep integration of machine learning ensures that every action feels responsive and intuitive. The interface flows like water. No lag, no buffering, no frustration, and let's not forget Apple's secret weapon, AI optimization. This isn't some buzzword. The Apple TV 4K 2025 literally learns from your behavior, your environment, and your devices. It adjusts sound output based on your furniture layout, optimizes color balance using your iPhone's camera calibration, and even tailors subtitles brightness based on your room's light level. It's invisible intelligence at work, constantly improving the experience without you ever noticing. Combine that with tvOS 18's redesigned interface, and you get a futuristic system that's as beautiful as it is powerful. Animations glide effortlessly, app transitions feel cinematic, and every element on screen feels deliberately crafted to draw you in, not distract you. The beauty of Apple's design philosophy shines here. It's not about doing more. It's about making it feel effortless. And that's what makes the Apple TV 4K 2025 so extraordinary. It's not shouting for attention with gimmicks or flashy features. It's quiet confidence, the kind that comes from perfect engineering and vision. The more you use it, the more it fades into the background, letting your experience take center stage. That's the magic of Apple. They don't build gadgets. They build experiences. And with this device, Apple isn't just enhancing your living room. They're quietly creating a digital ecosystem that makes every other smart TV feel ancient. But perhaps the most intriguing part of this story is Apple's bigger plan. Internally, the company doesn't even call this device a streaming box anymore. They refer to it as the home console, because that's exactly what it's becoming. The central hub for your entertainment, your games, your smart home, and even your